And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is obviously going through my suitcase. I've got a few things that needs to come out. I've got things that needs to be replaced. I've got to pop things in. What else? I've really got to sort it out, go through it. Obviously the final run through will be on the 2nd of July, so that'd be the day before we go, just to make sure everything's all in there. I've got everything. It's basically like the final check just before we go. So obviously today is just putting stuff in my suitcase, taking some few things out that needs to be come out. What else is it? It's just a quick go through. So it's just a quick go through of my suitcase, and it's the countdown now. It is literally 6 months, so we haven't got long at all. I just want to make sure I've got everything in there. I have got another order that I'm going to place, or I've already placed in for. By the time this goes up, then obviously I'll put it. I think I've already ordered the Shein order. I've got to do a massive Shein order because there's a few more things for the holiday on there. It's just like a last little things that I need. I've got a couple of cover overs that I need to change. What else is there? It's like little things that I'm gonna need, like drink cover overs so we don't get our drinks spiked, some makeup and stuff. So yeah, there's a few little things that I need to get. But yeah, this is just a quick run through of my suitcase, just replacing things, taking things out that I need to. And then the final one will be the day before we go on holiday, which I cannot wait now. The countdown now has begun and I cannot wait. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I just wanted to show you guys on what sort of things are going into my suitcase, what's coming out, how my suitcase is being laid. I did actually have, like you guys see, a travel bag, but when I've got everything all in there, it looks so much of a mess. So I had to kind of sort it out properly, just make sure it looks a little bit more better in my suitcase, just making sure everything's all nice and tidy. But yeah, like I said in the intro, I've still got a few things to go in there. to replace other little things. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video as always. If you have, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Like I said, the final go through of my suitcase will be the day before we go, just making sure I've got everything and I haven't forgotten anything. If I have forgotten anything, then it'll have to wait, or I can get it when I get out there. But yeah, the day before we go will be the final run through of the suitcase. But this is just a quick go through, just checking everything, putting things in there, replacing things, taking things out, you know. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.